Alright, here's problem number 7 from assignment number 6. The domain of the function are all the values for which this function makes sense. The only thing I'm concerned about is the place where the denominator is equal to 0. And that's going to happen at x equal 3 and x equal negative 3. So the domain of this function is all real values, negative infinity to negative 3, negative 3 to 3, and then 3 to infinity. The x and y intercepts. Well, the x-intercepts are all the place where y equals 0. So where does this function equal 0? And the answer is never. You can only make this expression equal to 0 if the numerator is equal to 0, but the numerator is already always 1. So it is never, there is no x-intercepts. The y-intercepts happen when x is equal to 0. Of course, that's going to happen at negative 1/9. Find the horizontal asymptotes. That is asking the question, what happens when we take the limit as x either goes to infinity and what happens when we go to negative infinity. These end up being the same value, and they're all equal to 0. So we have horizontal asymptote is 0. Vertical asymptote, well, we found out that the vertical asymptote is going to be, there's going to be vertical asymptotes at x equal negative 3 and x equal 3. Because those are the values that make the denominator of that expression equal to 0.